Hello everyone, welcome to my channel 101 Sushma English. This is video part 2 on Se Fluent English. In the series English Speaking Practice Without a Partner. Watch part 1 also. Phone. We learn how your phone can be your teacher or your partner for your English speaking practice. Which type of videos a beginner spoken English learners should watch and listen to. How to search for such videos. How to start practicing. See, this is very important because if you start learning or practicing by watching and listening to the wrong type of video, the progress would slow down. You might feel disappointed. You might give up your practice. If I assume that you can't read and write English, you can understand English. Or you can read and write English but can't speak English fluently. In both the situations, you need guidance to practice speaking English. So you are a beginner spoken English learner. Keep these 3 points in mind. Watch videos with simple content, slow and repeatable content. Hundreds of videos are available for you. In today's video, you will learn how to search or look for the right video. Where to search for such videos. Actually, YouTube is the best platform. Let's learn what to type or say while searching for such type of videos. Search for slow English or beginner's English videos. Because in such videos, the teacher speaks slowly, pronunciation is clear. The teacher talks about simple daily routine vocabulary, phrases and short sentences. So say or type slow English for beginners or basic English conversation for beginners. Your main aim is to understand and repeat. Why repeat? So that you can practice speaking English. Search for daily life conversation videos. Videos with vocabulary used in real life situations. Real life situation words and phrases. Phrases are a set of words which actually are like ready-made short sentences, and you can start speaking those. And real life situations are the situations we face in our daily routine, such as we go shopping, introducing yourself, at the restaurant, at the bank, at the airport, booking a room in a hotel, booking the tickets, and many more. Search for picture-based visual videos. Watch and listen to the videos where they show an image and name it. For example, there's an image of an apple and they write the word apple and they pronounce it for you. You repeat that. Sometimes they show an action and speak about it. Such as there's an image of a person cooking and they say he's cooking food. You can learn short sentences without worrying about the mistake and without worrying about the grammar. If you can't read English, then this is the best method. Listen to kids' English videos because they use simple language, pronunciation is clear. Such videos help you build a strong foundation. A beginner spoken English learner needs this. Listen to repeat after me videos. You just have to repeat after the speaker. Listen and repeat practice this way helps to develop fluency, confidence. It removes the hesitation and the shy feeling that you face while speaking English. Now the most important part. Avoid these mistakes. Don't watch videos where the native speakers are teaching English because the native speakers speak fast. Don't watch English movies or web series without subtitles in English. Because as a beginner spoken English learner, you might not be able to understand what they're saying. Don't watch or listen to videos with heavy grammar lectures. As a spoken English learner, you don't need complex grammar to start speaking English. You might get confused or disappointed. You should simply start speaking the words, phrases and short sentences you are learning. Now you know what you should watch and listen to. Let's learn steps to follow for your speaking practice. The most important point. Don't just watch, actively practice speaking. How? Listen to the word, phrase or the short sentence. Pause the video and repeat. Repeat it 2-3 times. Watch and practice speaking with the same video for 2-3 times. Don't listen to a new video every day. Google search the meaning of any new word you come across. You can use Google Translate. Remember the rule of 3S. Learn simple, speak slowly, start repeating. You can follow my videos for speaking practice. You can type, I will practice in the comments box. Keep watching and keep learning. Take care. Bye bye.